Hi, this is Michelle. Today let's draw another cute Easter bunny with Easter egg. Let's get started. First, we choose black color and the studio pen and the inking to draw a quick draft. Let's draw a big egg shape first. And put it on the left of the canvas. Now let's draw a circle as the head of the cute bunny. Then the two big ears on the right side. Next, we draw a curve on the left side as the nose of our bunny. Then add eyes and mouth. Next, let's draw the front feet, the body, and the back feet. Along with the tail. Then we use eraser to move the extra lines. Now let's draw some patterns for the Easter egg. And add Happy Easter in the middle. Then we finish our draft drawing. Let's create a new layer down below the draft layer and tap two fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Then we can easily draw the final lines based on the draft. Okay, now we have all the outlines. Let's start to fill colors for our drawing. Create a new layer down below the outline layer and change the outline layer to reference. In this way, we can color our drawing easily on a separate layer, based on a reference layer. We can just drag and fill the egg and the bunny with different colors. Next, let's inactive the reference function and draw the egg pattern on a new layer. Then let's create another new layer below the outline layer. Also change the blend mode to multiply. Now we can draw the shadows in this layer. Let's create another layer at the bottom to add the shadow on ground. Finally, let's add a highlight on the egg using white color. And change the opacity to around 30%. Then we're done for the cute Easter egg and bunny drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you next time.